Big dogs need larger-than-life names. In this video, we're going to help you find some awesome big dog names, from the most popular to the most unusual. We'll give you a themed list of larger-than-life ideas that are sure to inspire you. Keep watching to learn more. Before we get into this, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our weekly name videos. Let's get started finding some good names for your pup. Superhero and villain inspired big dog names. Big dogs grab attention much like a villain or superhero. Whether you're a fan of superhero action movies, comics, or mythology, there's a unique superhero and villain name waiting out there for your four-legged best friend. Let's go over a few. Storm, Wolverine, Rocket, Killmonger, Rogue, Stan Lee, Falcon, Whiplash, Viper, Drax, Parker, Shuri, Black Panther, Groot, Thanos, Star-Lord, Gamora, Ronin, Yondu, Kraglin, Captain America, Juggernaut, Peg Carter, Hulk, Maximoff, Wolverine, Professor X, Magneto, Cyclops, Mystique. Royal-sounding big dog names. When bringing home a big dog that you know will rule the household, you need a suitable name for your new canine overlord. Take a look at this list of top regal names for dogs. These male and female selections exude power and sovereignty. Princess, Prince, King, Queen, Your Highness, Ruby, Goldie, Duke, Duchess, Countess, Baron, Baroness, Curtsy, Crown, Tiara, Emperor, Alexander, Charles, Philip, George, Archie, Harry, Edward, Arthur, Augustus, Henry, William, Albert, Diana, Beatrice, Elizabeth. Strong big dog names. Some big dog owners want intimidating names. This is typically the case for bigger, intimidating breeds like the Great Dane or the American Mastiff. If this is the type of dog breed that you own, we have you covered. Check out our list of great names that will make people think your pup is always on guard, even if your pooch is more of an oversized lap dog. Avalanche, Blaze, Brando, Caesar, Chief, Crash, Diesel, Fang, Ghost, Hunter, Macho, Mac, Magnum, Maverick, Spartacus, Spike, T-Bone, Titan, Trooper, Tyson, Amazon, Athena, Beastie, Diva, Electra, Harley, Justice, Liberty, Medusa, Raven, Rogue, Rousey. Funny big dog names. For big dog owners with a sense of humor, why not consider these charmingly funny ideas? They're clever and cute all at the same time. People will smile when they hear you call your gigantic dog one of these amusing names. Shaq, Biggie, Monster, Mountain, Danger, Big Show, Conan, Kahuna, Vader, Hefty, Chubbs, Meatball, Big Mac, Chuck Norris, Moby, Godzilla, Smalley, Stallone, Bigfoot, Giant, Babe, Cleopatra, Leia, Bertha, Olga, Teeny, Peanut, Baby, Mama, Nugget. If you like what you see so far, subscribe and give us a like. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime we upload. Up next, male big dog names. If you have a dog who is a big boy, to say the least, why not deal with the elephant in the room, so to speak, and give your dog a name that directly reflects just how big he is, or is going to be. But you don't have to stick with stereotypes when naming your male pup. So if you're looking for names that also show personality and goofiness, look no further. Each name on this list of the best large male dog names will make other big dog owners green with envy that you thought of it first. Marlin, Randy, James, Bono, Lennon, Nelson, Gandhi, CeeLo, Felix, Daniel, Legend, Luke, Bruce, Taurus, Dolph, Bond, Jason, Tatum, Jean-Claude, Taz, Danny, Tucker, Andy, Damon, Matt, Jax, Flynn, Ziggy, Marley, Scout. Female big dog names. Looking for a big girl dog name for your sweet and fluffy pup? She may be a large girl, but that doesn't mean she isn't still a sweetheart. Sometimes the biggest dogs have the sweetest dispositions. Check out some of our favorite names. Alexa, Ari, Aria, Aurora, Axel, Bertha, Blue, Bonnie, Bubba, Buffy, Cairo, Callie, Coco, Cupid, Daisy Duke, Dakota, Doris, Eagle, Ella, Elsa, Eva, Eve, Fergie, Fido, Fifi, Foxy, Gabby, Jem, Gia, Gina, Helena. Giant dog names. There are big dogs, and then there are giant dogs. These huge name ideas inspired by the biggest, tallest, largest, most impressive natural formations on our planet, from mountains to waterfalls to planets and stars and even countries, will definitely do your giant pup full justice. Everest, Rocky, Matterhorn, Denali, Logan, Rainier, Olympus, Zeus, Asia, Sahara, Niagara, Redwood, Sequoia, Indus, Jupiter, Sirius, Vega, Angel, Rio Grande, Texas, Krubera, Alaska, Lambert, Andes, India, Brazil, Espresso, Nash, Jet, Indigo. Cute big dog names. Here are some cute, large breed male and female dog names that will make any big dog lover smile. Boots, Bubbles, Button, Clover, Cuddles, Dimples, Dumpling, Fergus, Fluffy, Freckles, Gizmo, Jellybean, Mowgli, Noodles, Puck, Quigley, Scooter, Shandy, Squirt, Waffles, Whopper, Hero, Starbucks, Superloaf, Pluto, Coral, Wrigley, Beauty, Yukon, Jazz. Geographical Big Dog Names. If you want to go really big, you can name your dog after an entire city, state, or country. How about these big names for your pup? Austin, Birmingham, Boston, Bronx, Camden, Carson, Chandler, Charleston, Chicago, Cleveland, Columbus, Davenport, Dayton, Denver, Adelaide, Aspen, Atlanta, Aurora, Baltimore, Berlin, Brooklyn, Charlotte, Chelsea, Florence, Geneva, Monaco, Morocco, Namibia, Norway, London. Unusual big dog names. Looking for a big dog name that stands out in the crowd? Here are some quirky, large dog names you might want to consider. Arrow, Atticus, Barfly, Barnabas, Booger, Bulldozer, Bungee, Chinchilla, Chop Suey, Cypress, Dickens, Django, El Nino, Junebug, K9, Kanga, Meatloaf, Moki, Nibbles, Octane, Pandora, Ringo, Rookie, Scrapple, Tater Tot, Tsunami, Honey, Weasel, Winston Churchill, Zipper. Do you own a small dog that you're struggling to name? Check out this video where we go over 300 of today's trending and unique small dog names. We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know your favorite name in the comments section. If you're new to our channel and you like it, please subscribe.